The Snake Neck tribe is a race that has only popped up in Scotland. They are identified by their significantly long necks in comparison to every other race in the series. Having necks that is extremely long meant that they appear to tower over most humans of other races. Most members of this tribe are usually of a slender build, resembling the slenderness of a snake. People of this tribe have been shown to have necks that varies in width and in height, with some members having decorative tattoos and jewelry around their neck. Members of this tribe that has been seen in the series have not displayed any form of special abilities relating to their neck, which means that they likely have the same level of potential as an average human. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.